Because you knew him very well.
Because you knew him very well, we thought he would tell you what was truth and what was not.
What rumors?
Someone from Zulodin told me that there was an edict issued in St. Petersburg. That's all.
Welcome, Your Honor. What's the great news in the world?
I see you have company.
They're my friends.
It's just as well. What I have to say is for their ears also. Teddy, how much time do you have to pack up all your goods and sell your house?
Why should I sell my house? Is it in anybody's way?
I came here to tell you you have to leave Antefka.
No. What?
And how did I?
And how did I become to deserve such an honor?
Not just you, of course, but all of you.
All of it.
Teddy, I thought because of your daughter Kava.
I don't have a daughter named Kava.
I understand. At any rate, you have to leave. All of you.
Oh, wait,
Why? This little corner of the world has always been our home.
Why should we leave?
Why should we leave?
I don't know why. There's trouble in the world. Troublemakers.
Like us.
Not just you. All of your people. All your people have to leave. Districts everywhere. I have an order here that says all of you have to be out in 3 days.
3 days? You want us out in 3 days?
And you, who have known us all your lives, will carry out with this order?
It isn't me. Don't you understand?
We understand.
And what if we refuse to go?
Refuse to leave.
No,
Stay in
no.
our homes.
You will be forced out.
You'll be forced out.
We will stay and defend ourselves.
Now,
Stay in our homes. Refuse to leave. Keep our land.
Yeah.
Fight!
Yes.
Against an army, I wouldn't advise it.
I have an advice for you. Get off my land. This is still my home, my land. Get off my land.
You have 3 days.